Yo, what up, everybody? How are you doing today? I hope you're doing good. Check it out, guys. We're rolling into June. That means solo sessions are now here. People are signed up for some of the solo sessions. We're going to be starting the month with some solo sessions. If you're trying to get on the solo sessions, sign up now. At the end of this month, I'm actually going to be going into a workshop, and I hope to see you at that workshop. It's just going to be a small workshop. It's not going to be a long, extensive workshop unless you make it a long, extensive workshop. After that, I'm rocking into July, baby. That's right. We're going to be doing the boot camp because I'm trying to teach you how to be that pipeliner. That's right. I am home of the pipeline workshop, and if you didn't know, now you know. Wally's Weld and World, the Weld professor's here to teach you. That's right. Come on down and check it out for the whole month of July. I'm going to be teaching you how to be the best pipeliner in the world. The way I did it, the only way I know how to do it, can be the way you're going. So come on down, check it out. This will be July. It'll be 4 weeks long. It will be extensively intense because it is a boot camp. Because I'm going to show you how to go from zero to hero. Hope to see you there.